Hope you're fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 10. The topic is the alphabet. I think you know already about alphabet. Here it is written, this is the alphabet written in lowercase, in small letter. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z or Z. You should learn the alphabet well. I think you have learned already. From these 26 letters, all our words are made. This is a really amazing matter, that how much we are reading, how much we are listening, how much we are speaking, how much we are writing, we are using only these 26 letters. Here two exercises we will find, and this will be so easy for you. Write out the answers to these questions. Here it is written, what is the fifth letter? So easily you can find out A, B, C, D, E. E is the fifth letter. So here answer will be E. 2 number, write the last letter of all. This is the last letter. So Z or Z. Which letter comes next after S? See here S. After S we know that is T. 4 number, which letter comes just before H? Here this is H, before it G. Write the letter that comes between K and M. See, K and M, which one? What is this? It is L, so it will be L. Write the 2 letters on either side of E. Here E and its one side D and its another side F. So you will write here D, F. Which letter is next but one after Q? I think you have got it. Think or see here. 7 number. 7 number. See, what is the question? Which letter is next but one after Q? One after Q. What will be? S. So it will be S. Try to understand the question again. Which letter is next but one after Q? Means after Q you should leave one letter, and after that one is asking what? So here we have found S. Clear? 8 number, which letter is next but one before J? It is just opposite of this question. Here J, where is J? See J, you will leave this one and just before of it H. So you will write here H. 9 number, what are the missing letters? See, what are the missing letters? M, N, O, P. Here will be O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. So which are the missing letters? You can write here O, S and V. What word do the missing letters spell? A, here it will be B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So it's actually B, E, G, big. Okay. Here see, these letters are jumbled up. It means these letters are not following any order. C after CE, but we know after C we have another letter D, but A is not after E. A is the first letter of the alphabet. We know this. After that B, then C, then D, then E. Here it is written. Now they are in the right ABC order, A, B, C, D, E. Based on this discussion, here one question is written. Place the letters below in ABC order. It means you should follow the normal ABC order. First time you should put A, then B, then C, this way up to Z. It means if you don't find A, that is not matter, but you should understand which letter has come first, it will be put first, and which has come later, you will put after that. If we do this exercise, then it will be clearer for you. See here, NPOLM. If we want to write this in ABC order, then it will be, first will be L, M, then N, O, P. So easy. Next one, see, V, Y, W, U, X. So let's write it ABC order. It will be U, V, W, X, Y. This one, see, Q, R, U, T, V, S. It will be first time Q, then R, then S, then T, then U, and at last V. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Phone number D, F, B, A, E, C. It will be, first will be A, then B, then C, then D, then E, then F. So first one, so easy this one. Last one, 5 number I, K, H, G, F, J. So it will be F, G, H, I, J, K. So I think you have understood today's topic. This is the main thing, alphabetical order. You will face this kind of problem, or you should follow this order in your future life in various places. So keep it remember and practice at your home. Today up to this, we will do next day page number 11, that is capital letters beginning a sentence. Bye for today.